What do you mean na stuck? Ano, nakuan? Okay. Di ama kataman. Be, akong tagnaon ha. Uh, for most of you guys na nag-answer, dire, press ta og progress so far. Nabot mo gingani
Yes, sir.
after finding the kuan. So, dire no? Sige,
Yes.
that's good. Okay, good. Sige. Itong hinahinayan. Medyo taas-taas niya siya, pero solve man dyan. Masolve man niya siya. Kani, for sure, partial fraction ni siya. No, medyo taas gagyapon, pero kaya ra. Nang isa, this one, computing the square. Sige, una na to niya. I think mabulag naman siguro sila. Let's see. Una na taan eh. Bulag lang ako ah. I-completing the square. I think madali lang siya ma-completing the square. 4 over 2 is 2 squared 4. Okay. So as is ang denominator. Kani s squared plus 4s plus 4. Plus 8 minus 4. Kani siya. S plus 2 squared plus 4 supposedly. No, plus 4. So I think si 4 is ma-express natin siya 2 squared. Notice na sa silong si s plus 2 squared ma-anticipate ta nga ma-compensate ni og e to the power of negative 2x. Diba? From the property. So dapat ang numerator is iyan ipod nga term s plus 2 po dapat ni. Or dapat ang sa taas is malag s plus 2 nga term, no, nakakuan. So dali naman ni ibulag og s plus 2, no? Kay 4 s plus 2 plus 2. So si s plus 4 sa numerator, dali na siya ma-convert into s plus 2 plus 2. As is lang dahil ng denominator. Okay? So far, dali naman ni ma-follow. Tanan na to og parenthesis para kuan, para hanay. And pwede na to ni bulag. Na ma-separate na to. Ang isa, s plus 2 all over s plus 2 squared plus 2 squared plus 2 all over s plus 2 squared plus 2 squared. Aha. So, dali ni ma-inverse. Inverse lang sila na to diretsyo, no? Inverse lang na to ni diretsyo. Let our S be equal to S plus 2. So, ang final answer, ani, is i-multiply na to e to the power of negative 2x. No? Multiply na to ni later, ani, para ma-compensate. So, inverse Laplace na dito, no? Invertible ni automatic. Kung sa ganito nga inverse, kung s taas, cosine, a is 2. So, cosine 2x multiplied by e to the power of negative 2x plus sine, no, where a is 2. So, sine 2x multiplied by e negative 2x. Okay. So, natin partial ng final answer. No, actually, part na is final answer. So, ito. Adala. No. So, nakita na to ang inverse Laplace ani. Final answer. Which is this one. So, how about this one? 1 over s squared plus 1 over s squared plus 4s plus 8. 1 over s squared plus 1 s squared plus 4s for 8. Oh, check na natin na pwede ba ni mabulag? Dili. So, dili ni siya makuan. Dili na siya. Partial fraction gid ni siya for sure. No? So, kani isa, standby lang sa ka. Final answer naman ka, so diya lang sa ka. So, sa itsura sa kuan ani, sa itsura sa iyang partial fraction. Quadratic man ni both. So, as plus b all over s squared plus 1 plus quadratic man sad ni. So, cs plus d all over s squared plus 4s plus 8. Sige. Criss-cross naman na siya. So, 1 is equal to as plus b. Medyo taas-taas gina siya, no? Hangak gamay, pero lautay lang. Plus cs plus d s squared plus 1. 1 equal to as cubed plus 4as squared plus 8as plus b multiplied by b. bs squared plus 4bs plus 8. Next, FOIL na ni siya. CS cube plus CS plus ds squared plus CS plus d. Combine like terms. 1. So S cube is only A and C. S squared, 4A and B. Plus D na pala D. Plus S, 8A, plus 4B, plus C. Constant. 8. Nalagay 8 din. 8B dapat yun eh. 8B. 8B. 3, 2, 1 plus D. So, A plus C is equal to 0. 4A plus B plus D is equal to 0. 8A plus 4B plus C is equal to 0. And 8B plus D is equal to 1. Kinsay calculator diya makasolve og 4x4. Kaya? Ito akong 4x4 solver sa internet ba? 4 equations for unknowns. Four by four system of equation solver. So try to find na lang 4x4 solver sa internet if inyong calculator dili capable. Actually akong calculator dili gid pud capable. But the final answer is A would be negative 4 over 65. B is 7 over 65. C is 4 over 65 positive. And D is 9 over 65. Substitute na to ni. Back to the this given. It will become, ay, hulog man. AS plus B. So negative 4 over 65S plus 7 over 65 plus 4 over 65S plus 9 over 65. So maling mga constants na to. A, S plus B plus C, S plus D over S squared plus 1 over S squared plus 4S plus 8. Wait, tapos ako sa next one niya. Kuan naman no? Sin cosine naman ni siya. Sige. Okay. What am I talking about? Kani sila constant coefficients lagi yun Try to imagine it this way. No? Later na lang Later na lang na siya. Negative 4 over... Kaya di ba ang denominator S squared plus 1, 1 is still pwede magyapon niya siya i-note as 1 squared, right? So, mangita tag, ang atong i-anticipate nga inverse Laplace is A is equal to 1. So, dapat, dali naman kay 1. Ang coefficient ni S dapat 1. So, constant na niya siya. The same with this one. So, it's as if saying, na kani siya could be rewritten as 65 times 1S plus 7 over 65 times 1. Diba? All over S squared plus 1 squared. Bulag na yun Mahulog na negative 4 over 65 times S over S squared plus 1 plus, kani pa lang wala pa na siya apel. Plus 7 over 65 times 1 over S squared plus 1. So, dali lang siya inverse Laplace. This is a cosine where A is 1. So, the answer is negative 4 over 65 cosine X plus 7 over 65 sine X. Kuha? And this is part of the final answer. Plus, whatever is the inverse Laplace of this one. And I think mo na yung more difficult sa ilaha. Sige. Kung ano yung isa, aside ng isa. Okay, final answer naman technically. Kana plus kani, no? Itong ganina. Plus last one. The inverse Laplace of this one. S, 4 over 65S plus 9 over 65. S squared plus 4S plus 8. I think atong buhaton is the same ganina. Perfect square siya. Perfect square. S plus 2 squared plus 8 minus 4. Eight minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 4, I mean, is 4, which is 2 squared. Timing na kaayo. Di ba siya related, no? Di ba related ni sa kani. Timing lang as pwede ma-square si 4. So, 2 squared. S plus 2 squared plus 2 squared. So, dapat ang atong sa taas is S plus 2. No? So, S plus 2 minus 2. So, 4 over 65. Instead of S, you make it S plus 2 para maka-ohm siya. But nag-plus 2 man ta, so minus 2. Plus 9 over 65. Ulit na sa... Ano ta? So, ako na lang na ikuan ha. I-distribute ni siya dito sa iya ha. 4 over 65 times S plus 2 minus 8 over 65 plus 9 over 65. Over 65 S plus 2 ano man plus 1 over 65 over S plus 2 squared. Now, kung mag-cosine ta, okay, for sure, cosine of sine man kay bulag man ni later. Lahi na siya. Maglahi ni. So, sa cosine, good na ta. Kay, the same na sila. So, sine, di pa ta good. Kay di sila the same og A. Ang ato A is 2. Ang ato A sa numerator is 1 over 65. So, how will we convert 1 over 65 to 2? So, to buhaton pa, may mo siyang ingana. 2 over 130, no? Equal na di ba? 1 over 65 is equal to 2 over 130. 4 over 65 S plus 2 mahulog nga plus 1 over 130 times 2. Kay para, the same na og AC, numerator, and C, denominator. Okay na ni, good na ni. So, bulag na to, 4 over 65 S plus 2 over S plus 2 squared plus 2 squared plus 1 over 130 2 over over s plus 2 squared plus 2 squared. So, readily invertible. May-invert na ni. Inverse Laplace ani is 4 over 65 e to the power of negative 2x times, so man siya, cosine 2x. Kaning negative 2x is tungod ani. Tungod ani nila. Compensate. Kaning 2x clearly is tungod ani. Plus 1 over 130. E mo mangyapon ni e to the power of negative 2x cosine. Sine 2x. And final answer. Additional na siya sa final answer. So, kung ito isulatanan, taas-taas gid siya. Abtan kitag 27 minutes. Okay. This one, common ang e to the power of negative 2x. Day, So, the final answer would be common ang e to the power of negative 2x. Ani. Amo, combine pag di ay gani ni, Kani sila. Coefficient ani kay 1. Kani pod 1. So, it's just 465 plus 1 and 1 over 130 plus 1. 4 over 65 plus 1 is 69 over 65. Cos 2x. 1 over 130 plus 1 is 131 plus over 130. Sine 2x plus, ito isa ka naka-highlight, diba? Plus this one. 4 over 65 cosine x, or plus negative 4 over 65 cosine x plus 7 over 65 sine x. Final answer. So, taas-taas siya. And if ever na may question, I'm sure after na siya, i-review na lang ang video. Try to review this recorded video. Maybe dito pa mo come up ang mga questions. But for certain, one of the things that I've noticed, after na to makuha ang equation, explicit equation sa Laplace of y, pwede na din yung mabulag, bulagon o pangita ang inverse Laplace of each. Kaya kani, mamani iya. Mamani iyang inverse. Kaning isa atong partial. Itong partial nato, kaya partial din nato, kani. So, nakita na itong ABCD. Si ABCD dahil ang nabulag, abot dire. Like, pwede na po dahil bulagon ang pagkuhaan ni gana. So, that's what we call superposition, I think we've done that before unknowingly. The reason for that one is because Laplace transform is a linear operation. So, final answer. Sige. Questions? Not really, none.